Hello, my YouTube channel. This is Samson Tech Station. In today's video, I'm going to go on how to hide repost on TikTok. Maybe you don't want to posted on TikTok. I'm going to like to. This is your first time of your channel. Please subscribe. Hit the description button for it. Open videos like this on this channel. Without wasting much of time, let's dive into the video. First, all you need to do is to click. After here, you have to be clicking on the three on the top of your screen. On the three line here, you're going to be clicking on settings. Once you click on that, you click on privacy. You can see that at the second option. Then you're going to be turning this on private account. You're going to be making your account private so that no one can see your repost. So that is it on how to make your repost private on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, because you've gone to the very end of this video, please do it to subscribe, hit the notification bell in order for you to know when we create more helpful videos like this. See you guys in the next one. Bye.